Greetings, everybody. This is Kevin, aka Kevmo, the community manager for the Shard Bugs team, and I am here today to walk you guys through a little bit with our new system in collaboration with Best Coast Pairings. This is our event system that we have for basically scheduling your events, whether that be uh, events at your local LGS or online. This is going to be the website where you are able to host events as well as join events and participate in stuff like that. So this is the home page of our event page, and there's a few things here. We will have our featured events right here on the front page. Right now we have the Season 1, Week 1 of the official Shardbugs Online League. So you'll be able to find featured events there. However, if you're also trying to find other events, you can click here to find an event, or you can come up here to play and you can search for events there. But before you can really get much benefit from this site, the first thing you want to do is create an account. So if you already have an account with Best Coast Pairings for one of their other games that they partner with, that's great. You can use the same login credentials for that. However, in most cases, if you don't have an account already, you're going to want to make an account first. So for those who do have an account, you can log in with this button here or up in the top right corner. So let's click one of those. And here you have the login portal for Best Coast Pairings. You can sign in with your email and password. If you need to make a new account, just below the sign in button, you can click sign up. And it's going to ask you for your email, your first and last name, and to make a password. And make sure you click on this little box down here after reading the terms and conditions. Now the email that you use, you're going to want to use an email that will be your regularly used email when it comes to keeping track of your player accounts and player data, events, and stuff like that for Shardbugs. So make sure you use something that you're definitely going to want to keep consistent with Shardbugs. So once you do that, you click sign up and it'll create an account. So let's go ahead and sign in. All right, now that we logged in, like I said, you can come here to find an event, or you can click right here, event search. So let's go ahead and click on this. It's going to bring you to the event search page where you can search by location. You can search by start dates, end dates. You can choose whether you want to include online events or if you just want the local events. You can also search by name right here, which we're going to do by we're going to go ahead and put Shard Bugs here and click search. And it's going to bring you the same event that's on our featured page right now, but this is the official Shard Bugs Online League Season 1 Week 1. Now here you can see that it's an online event. I'm one of the hosts. You can see some details for this event right here. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to the event page. Now the event page is going to have all the details here, the name of the event, when it starts, the location. We are going to do this as an online one, but it still uses a location for the sake of um, calculating the time zone for the event time. And it'll tell you some other details here. Now, we do have an external link here. This simply brings you to the Discord invite. So if you're already in our Discord, you don't need that. However, if you are not in the Discord yet and you want to be a part of it, you can use this link down here or click external link. It'll take you to our Discord server where you can become part of the online Discord community there. As far as this event goes, if you do want to join this event, you can go ahead and click register for this event. And again, it'll have you put your first and last name. If you are part of a team or an organization, you can select that from here. You have to add this separately in your account before it allows you to select it from this drop-down menu. So if you are part of a club or organization or any sort of group like that, make sure you add that into your account before that. And then you can select that here. Again, make sure you're using your email that you prefer to use for keeping track of all your Shardbugs data as you go forward. And then make sure you click read. I agree with reading the terms and services here. And we're going to go ahead and click register. Now it's going to bring you to one last thing here. This is the shipping details page. So because we do provide participation rewards and placing rewards, we do require you to put in your shipping information. That way, when the time comes at the end of each month, we will be shipping out prizes to those participants and those who made the top cuts and the winners and all that. So just makes the pricing easier if we already have that data up front. So go ahead and put in your information here. So let's do that. Okay, and once you hit submit on there, a little pop-up will pop up that says registration complete, and it'll bring you to the player details page here for the event. It'll show that you have not checked in yet. When the event is live, it'll give you the option to check in here. You can also use the app. There is a Best Coast Pairings app in which you can use to check in and view information on there. You can also drop from the event. Just to let you know that in order to receive participation awards, participation rewards from our events, we do require that you minimally participate in so many rounds in order to get those. So we try to incentivize people from not having to drop. But that is where you can do so should you choose or need to. You also have the check-in button, like I said here, and it'll show your status here. You can edit your player details through here. And most importantly, down here, you have the button here to add your deck list. So as you can see, no deck list has been submitted. So for this event, we do require people to submit their deck list ahead of time. So you can go ahead and click Add Deck List here. It's going to ask you to choose your alliance for your avatar that you're using. And you can either upload this via text here if you just want to upload a list, or you can also upload your deck via an image as well if you want to take a screenshot or a photo of it. As long as it's clear and legible, then it should be good right there. So after you add a deck list, let's type F. There we go. We're going to have a deck made of 3 Dave Swiftfoots. So we're going to upload that. Deck list uploaded successfully. And now it shows that it's submitted. You can go ahead and edit it from here. You can also view it anytime as well. Now, once the event starts, that will lock and you will not be able to edit your deck list any further. But up until the event starts, you're able to edit that. So there you go. Once you have your deck list submitted for the event and all of your player details accurate, again, wait until the event starts, then you can hit check-in, and then you'll be checked in for the event and ready to participate. Again, you can see the overview of the event here. You also have the ability to see the people in the event, any pairings that are happening currently, the current standings and placings for people. And again, you can edit your player details here. But that is it. That is how you successfully sign up or log in to the Best Coast Pairings Shard Bugs event site, and how you find an event near you, as well as register for it and participate in it. If you have any questions or concerns, you're able to reach out to any of us on the Shard Bugs development team in the Discord community, or you can also reach out to us via email at info@shardbugstcg.com. We will help you out as soon as we can. Other than that, good luck and take care.